Have you ever found yourself tangled in a complex coding problem, unsure of how to proceed? It can be overwhelming, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a specific issue with HLists and Scala and how to extract the sum instances from them. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're new to a concept like Shapeless and you hit a wall. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to navigate through Scala's advanced features. Let's set the stage for your question. You have a class hierarchy with different animal types, and you're working with an HList of options. You want to know if there's a way to iterate over this HList and extract the sum instances. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So what makes this tricky? The challenge lies in the fact that HList can contain a mix of sum and none values, and you want to isolate just the sum instances. This is a common hurdle when dealing with Scala's type system, especially for newcomers. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will help you understand HLists even better and make your coding journey smoother. To begin solving the user's question, we need to define a method that will allow us to extract the sum instance from the HList. This method will iterate through the HList and check each element. Next, the user should implement this method in their code. This will allow them to pass their HList instance and retrieve the sum value if it exists. Now, let's discuss how the user can test this method. They can create various HList instances with different combinations of sum and none to ensure the method works as expected. Finally, the user should consider edge cases. They should ensure that their method handles unexpected inputs gracefully, such as an HList with all none values. Fun fact, did you know that Scala's Shapeless library is named after the concept of shapeless types? It's a powerful tool that can make your code more flexible and reusable. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that to find an instance of sum in an HList of options, you should use a coproduct type instead of an HList. This allows the compiler to understand the structure better. They explain that you can define traits to check if an HList contains only none values, and another trait to identify an HList with exactly one sum. This way, you can extract the value of the sum directly. Here's the trick I promised. When working with HLists, always keep your pattern matching clear and concise. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of how to extract sum instances from your HList. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Scala's type system.